Alright, so it's gonna be a short little video of some test and tuning on the fucking black bug eye here. Do I know how good this shit's gonna go? Not really, but fuck it. Fuck it, bro. It's like I say, fucking run it. You know what I mean? We survived the revision 6. We survived. You know what I mean? If we don't, we don't, bro. Fucking life goes on, buddy. He's gonna fucking start this shit. And alright. About to hit the test and tune spot. The test and tune spot, you heard. But afraid there is one too many cars. So I'm going to attempt. Now, will we be successful? I do not know. Hope y'all enjoyed that little ass video. Wasn't meant to be much. Just a little, you know what I'm saying? Get my tune right. Oh. Get my little tune right, you know what I'm saying?